Exactly 1 year ago, I walked into this BMW showroom in Dortmund. Nobody helped me, staff ignored me, and I left feeling invisible. I came back today, same showroom, same people, same bikes, but everything was different. So, I'm standing in front of BMW showroom. That's the entrance of the showroom. Let's go inside and see what bike we can afford. I mean, I walked in and asked about BMW 450 GS. Without any hesitation, receptionist walked me outside where the bike was parked and showed me the bike and told me that I can have a look, sit on it, feel the bike, experience it, take how much ever time I want to with the bike. And if I had any questions, come back and ask him. I was a bit surprised because I wasn't expecting this kind of treatment from the BMW guys, as I had an unpleasant experience with them. This is BMW 450 GS, a new 2025 model, the bike everyone is talking about. And for the first time in 547 days, I was about to sit on a motorcycle. And to be honest, this bike are still not sold in Germany yet. The order will be taken only in the month of September, which is the end of this biking season. I mean, shocking to hear this because this bike is already been sold in India. I sat on it, hands on the bars, 547 days without riding. It felt like I'm back home and I never wanted to let it go, but I had to because this bike cost 8,500 euros and right now I have 0 euros. They offered me a test ride in August. I said no, I declined simply because I do not want to fall in love with something that I cannot afford yet. So, let's see what we can actually buy in Germany under 5,000 euros. So, I started looking. We are Motorrad. They had an inventory of KTM 390 Adventure X, which was priced at 5,699 euros. That's the exact bike that I had in India. I sold to move here. Buying the same bike again feels like going backwards. And then there was KTM 125 Duke, which is for about 5,199 euros, and KTM 125 Enduro R, which is for 4,790 euros. But riding 125cc after riding 390 is, I just can't do that. It feels so underpowered. Then I found this used market and everything changed. I found BMW F650 GS Twin 2009 model, only 10,000 kilometers on a Odo. For a 2009 bike, that's almost nothing. Condition as new as it looks and priced around 4,999 euros. Adventure style, ride power within budget. And the second bike which I liked is Triumph Tiger 800 XRT, which is 2016 model with the 42,000 kilometers on Odo. One previous owner, 95 horsepower for just 4,900 euros. These are the two bikes which I found under 5,000 euros, which I think is really a great option. Both under 5,000, both available right now. But here's the problem, I still can't buy either of them. Not yet. I walked into BMW showroom today with no money, sat on an 8,500 euro bike, felt what riding feels like, then came back home and looked at used bike on laptop. That's the reality right now. The dream is clear, the gap is real. I know where to look for my first motorbike, which is under 5,000 euros. This channel is how I close the gap. Every view, every subscriber, every share brings me one step closer to that bike. If you are a biker, you know what 547 days feels like without riding a motorcycle. That's exactly 1.5 years. You know that feeling of sitting on a motorbike after a very long time. It feels like coming back home. Share this video with that one biker friend of yours. That's what I'm asking. One share, brother to brother. And tell me in a comment section, BMW F650 GS 2009 with 10,000 kilometers, or Triumph Tiger 800 2016 with 42,000 kilometers. Which one would you buy and why? Give your thoughts in a comment section. I'm reading every single of them. 547 days, exactly 1.5 years, but I'm getting closer every single Friday. I'll see you next week. Until then, please be safe, please take care, and always ride with the safety gears and a helmet. See you in our next video. Ciao.